Hello everyone, after a long time I'm going to do a video. Today it will be on unboxing few of my riding equipments and a few upgrades for my van. So I'll show you one by one what happens. Just keep. I bought a new helmet. This one I found on Sports Bike Shop, my usual place to get my gears. It was from MT. So I bought it. It's very good and good price also. So I bought it just because I don't have any modular helmets. So this one is my first one in like 20 years of riding. This is my first modular helmet. Looks very good, flashy, highlighted color, fluoro yellow, and it's very nice. I think this is MT Atom 2 if I'm not mistaken. So nearly has everything I need, and for that I got some accessories too. The helmet lights, so I need to install them today, and some helmet mounts. So I'll install this mount because I have a few other mounts, but this is flexible, so I think it will be good. But I don't actually want mounts because it will restrict the movement of the helmet, but you need the camera shot, so let's see if I can have some alternate options later. Probably I won't install the mount for now. Let's see, but the lights is important. I'll put the lights on. So this is the straps. I put one on the back of the light and one on the back of the helmet. So I'll install it and I'll post it in a few minutes. Yeah, looks good. Okay, so this is done. I already installed the headset option, so when I connect the headset I can talk to the phone. Then matching accessories from Maximoto. I got gloves. Not only gloves, I got boots too. Let's open that. So this one came from Spain. That's why it has so many documentations. Looks good, but didn't see in real life how it is. So let's see. Alright, I'll cut it. Didn't want it to cut it now, but it's alright. Oh, matching gloves. This is from Shima. I bought one size larger than my hand and it fits very well. Feels good. It's nice. The next one is a bit bigger. It's from Maximoto. So this is from the same Maximoto. I bought a riding boot. This already looks nice. It always feels good to get riding gears. Oh. Matching color. Looks nice. The jacket has already arrived, so just need to test these things, how it goes. That's it for today. I'll see you in the next one.